morning students, how are you? Now see last exercise of chapter number 1, exercise 1.4. Question number 1, without actually performing the long division, state whether the following rational numbers will have a terminating decimal expansion or a non-terminating decimal expansion. So in this 10 parts are there. 3 parts I am explaining in front of you. See question number 1, fourth part, 15 upon 1600. First you can cancel common factor. 5 3s are 5 3s are 5 2s are 0. 3 upon 320. So after this you can factorize denominator. 2 160, 280, 240, 220, 210, 2 with 5. So see student here 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 raised to power 6 into 5. You can see in denominator only factors of 2 and 5. So this is a terminating decimal expansion. This is our answer. Now see 7th part, 129 upon 2 raised to power 2, 5 raised to power 7, 7 raised to power 5. See student, this one 129 will not divisible by 2, not divisible by 5 and not divisible by 7. So no common factor. But in denominator you can see to accept 2 and 5, 7 is also present. So directly you can write this is not a terminating decimal expansion. Why non-terminating? Because in denominator 7 factors are there. Now see 10th part, 77 upon 210. So 7 11s are 7 3s are 11 by 30. You can factorize 30. 2 15s are, then 3 5s are, 5 1s are. So 11 upon 2 into 3 into 5. Except 2 and 5, 3 is also present. Therefore this is not a terminating decimal expansion, non-terminating decimal expansion. Yes beta, now see question number 2. Write down the decimal expansion of those rational numbers in question number 1 above which have terminating decimal expansion. In question number 1 10 parts given. So those are terminating. We will solve those only here. See 6th part, point to be noted 1 to 10, those are terminating only. Those only we can solve here. 23 upon 2 raised to power 3 into 5 raised to power 2. See student, in denominator after 23 you know prime number, so no common factor. So here in denominator 2 and 5 factors are there. So this is a terminating decimal expansion. Now we can write in decimal expansion 2 raised to power 3, 5 raised to power 2. So multiply and divide by 5. So 23 5s are 115. In denominator it's become like this or you can write 2 into 5 whole raised to power 3, 115 upon 10 raised to power 3, 115 upon 1000. 0.115 is your answer.